Y. Raghavendra.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. I would like to draw the attention of this August House to protect the rights and interests of the other traditional forest dwellers who are mainly dependent on the forest for their livelihood. Sir, the scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dwellers was enacted to recognize and vest the forest rights and occupation of forest land in forest dwelling scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dwellers who have been residing in such forest for generations, but whose rights could not be recorded. The main intention was to guarantee the land right, thereby to reduce the interference of the forest department in utilization of the land for their livelihood, sir. Sir, forest accreditation and appropriation of forest tribes and other indigenous tribes in respect of forest land and their habitation to any state or union territory, all such tribals and tribes communities shall be granted subject to the conditions of the forest form prior to 13th December 2005 as per the foregoing provision. Implementation of Forest Rights Act, applicants of the other traditional forest dwellers have been granted forest land under the Forest Rights Act on producing witness documents for 3 generations prior to the 13th December 2005. That means considering 25 years as one generation leads to 75 years for 3 generations, sir. Sir, I am from Shimoga Parliamentary Constituency, wherein more than 50% of the land is covered by forest. Major stretch of Western Ghats falls in my area. More than 1,000 villages and hamlets are in the forest or at the edge of the forest. There exists a symbiotic relationship between villages, forest and wildlife. In fact, they have a tradition to worship and to protect forest for their livelihood, sir. It is evident from the Karnataka State Social Welfare Department data that 1.89 lakh applications were rejected out of 2.94 lakh applications received across the state. In my constituency, that means in Shimoga district alone, 32,245 applications were rejected out of 97,000 applications received, and only 2,400 title deeds distributed so far, sir. The rejection is largely due to difficulty in providing the authentic document by other traditional forest dwellers applicants to prove that they are living there for 3 generations prior to 13th December 2005. I think many of my friends also experienced the same difficulties. Sir, hence I earnest appeal to the Honorable Union Minister through Honorable your bench, sir, Tribal Affairs to review this and to bring suitable amendment to Act to make provisions for other traditional forest dwellers considering their living there since 25 years, that means 1 generation, on their date of submission of application, sir. Thank you, Mr. Thank you.
Sri Nitesh Bhai Patel.